All right, so you provide tracking and monitoring solutions to your clients. And know that the quality of the IoT and GPS devices you use is essential for staying competitive. But getting high-quality devices from a reliable manufacturer isn't as easy as it sounds. That's why we created GPT46, the IoT GPS tracker that will let you gain visibility into the operation status and location of your assets. Here's what's more. 1. The GPT46 will update the location of your asset every 5 minutes while moving in order to conserve battery. 2. The device offers a global support for various satellite positioning systems, so you'll never lose track of your shipments. 3. You get a temperature sensor, gathering and uploading temp data regularly. 4. The GPT46 comes with a built-in light sensor, detecting opening door and box behavior. 5. The device also comes with an included GSM, eGPRS, LTE Cat-M, LTE NB-2, which gives you coverage in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Best of all, you also get a ton more features that you can add or remove according to your needs. Want to learn more? Then head over to www.eelinktech.com/GPT46.